Well, and most people, I think probably the atheists that we hang out with are not really the type of people that can relate to why would somebody want to subject themselves to legalism? So what's the motivation behind that?
Yes. And hopefully in a future edition of the Scandal and Folly, we can delve into the subject of cults. But I think we both discovered that cults are the extreme form of this, where the rules are everything, and to the degree that they even substitute rules and pressure and control for community.
So if I can make because I'm trying to make this relatable, if I can make a slightly controversial parallel, because I think everybody has the danger of falling into this, because I think we saw this during the height of the COVID pandemic, is people the mask became a symbol of virtue. Would you agree with that?
On both sides. Both sides took the mask and...
Either I don't wear a mask, look how free I am, or how much I care. Right. Yes. So everybody falls into legalism.
I would say from both the New Testament and experience that pride is the primary motivation, and self-reliance. It is built so deeply into our fallenness as sinners that it is staggeringly self-destructive and self-defeating. Like it drives us to accept utterly corrupt poison before taking the bread of living water, to doing everything before we do, and I have to be careful in the way I phrase this, nothing in the sense of earning salvation, but nothing in the sense of simply the free grace idea of simply believing and then nothing happens.
Well, because the things that you do, the particular behaviors that you choose, or we Christians would call those convictions, yes. The particular convictions that you have might not be directly related, okay, to what you're going for. So, for example, wearing a mask and caring about people, those might not be connected, but the mask became a proxy for that. So these rules become a proxy for the real thing, whatever the real thing is that people want.